any accountant and bookkeepers know that I'm running some training next week, and I just wanted to give a bit of an agenda about that. So let me just switch my screen. If you're here, hashtag live. If you're on replay, hashtag replay is absolutely fine as well. So I'll be keeping an eye. Okay, so let me get the right screen up. So this is the training that we're going to be running next week. It's Cloud Accounting, Digital Services, App Advisory training about the efficiency, cloud adoption. And essentially this session is going to be for any firms who have fully started adopting cloud accounting, any firms that want to explore new digital services, embracing cloud accounting and the app ecosystem, and also firms that want to utilize the app ecosystem in a better way. So it's really going to be about building those new digital services, using the tech and the digital that's at our fingertips, and bringing that to life a little bit. So want to talk about the cloud and the cloud pathway. So that's the first part. We want to talk about cloud adoption quality, which is so important if you're looking to deliver more services. The quality of adoption make a massive difference. We're also going to look at the tech stack and what we need to have in place in those areas, not always as big as we think it needs to be. We're then going to look at the cloud accounting app advisory services, processes and pricing, which always brings a little bit of curiosity and questioning. And then we're going to go into define your priorities to gain momentum. So if you really want to get moving in this, you've got to concentrate on 3 areas, which is efficiency, delivery and proactivity. So we need to think about how we're adopting this software. We need to be thinking about how we are then delivering these services, but then the proactivity is about how we educate internally, externally to our clients and prospects as well. And then there's going to be an AOB. So ultimately, this is not going to be a webinar. It's very much a collaborative session. Going through each of those areas is going to run for about an hour and a half. It's next Wednesday at 9:30 a.m. It'll run between 60 and 90 minutes. Now, each of these areas, we've got a whole pack of everything that we run through, but each of those areas we allow for a collaborative check-in. So you can check in, ask your questions, any queries you've got, and we'll be running through those there and then. So there'll be multiple check-in areas. Now, if you're interested and want to have a look, you'll see there, this is the registration page. Just go and put your details in. There's a lot more there about the detail and when it's going to start. But if you put your details in there, you'll get the Zoom link. And as you see there, it's an interactive training session, a Zoom meeting. It's not a webinar. So we're looking for firms who are really wanting to build up their knowledge, understand the business model better, and look to build some of those services around the cloud accounting, the app advisory, and the digital areas. So yeah, you'll have the link that's gone into the post as well. So go and take a look. If there's anything in and around this agenda here, so in and around there that is something you'd really like to discuss or cover, put a comment on the post. Which one of those would really resonate? And as I say, we've got quite a lot of content, but we're really going to move the education towards where the needs of the audience and the people are. So book along, have a look forward to seeing you next Wednesday for a collaborative session. So I'll leave it at that. Have a great day, guys.